Do you have what it takes to run your own business and be your own boss? The short answer is yes, anyone can do it. There's no specific be your own boss job description, and there's no set criteria that makes up the perfect business owner. It just comes down to you, your skills, and your characteristics. This is the key to your success. But of course, you'll probably have to develop some new skills and knowledge along the way. But hey, nothing ventured, nothing gained. And a little hard work can pay dividends later on. Think about what you're good at and build on these strengths. Ask yourself, are you confident in your business idea? Thinking through your answer will give you the determination you need to take on the challenge. So what are these skills you're likely to need? Well, most successful business owners are pretty positive people. They've got a flexible attitude and are open to new ideas. They have a goal, they plan and get on. So what else? Well, how's about having good listening skills? Being able to think creatively and solve problems. Those things would be useful, wouldn't they? Communication and negotiating skills are great too. Of course, there'll be challenging times as well as good times, and with everything in the world changing so fast, you just never know what's around that next corner. So keep focused on your goals, be open to new ideas, and be prepared to change direction if need be. Some business people describe themselves as risk takers. They don't jump in head first, but weigh up the pros and cons of an idea and then make a decision.